With VIA AIOps, we apply performance management capabilities to fault management. We start here with these 250,000 individual records. The way that we handle them is not just one at a time. We create a time series out of it, which creates a baseline. And it breaks it down by the source, system sending it, the severity, the message itself, the alarm, and so on and so forth. With the dimension analysis, we can easily pick out the source of the increase over baseline. We take every dimension of that fault, like severity, like source, like message type, and each one gets a machine-learned baseline. We can see the ones that are behaving outside of their normal pattern very clearly. We can avoid issues like we're seeing here. This is a specific source with a specific severity type. You see that every 5 minutes, it generates a baseline of about 20 error messages, only sometimes coming across that threshold. This is a machine-learned baseline that we've generated specifically for this source and this type of message. Our competitors, over a course of 24 hours, would have generated 1,440 alerts based on this one device and this one type of message. What we do is noise reduce all of this because it sits underneath the baseline. We can dig into this one spike and understand why it's performing over normal. Instead of everything that's falling below the line, we just focus on what's above the line. These messages are the 12 above baseline, 32 over 20. And in the background, we're determining that those 12 over baseline, 8 plus 4, are just related to these two messages. Everything else falls out underneath because it's the baseline behavior. We can drill into the events themselves, and we get down to those very specific errors. We've pulled out the signal from the noise being that baseline of 20 events that are happening every 5 minutes. The signal being just the new events that came in over the baseline.